All right, Central Coast of California is just one of the most gorgeous places in the country. Definitely worth checking out, from Monterey and Carmel down through Big Sur. It's stunning, beautiful.
Yeah, there's a coastline. I mean, yeah, we started in through Oregon, we came down through here, and it just, I don't know if it gets better and better or if I'm just in awe of the whole thing. It is just fantastic.
And up around Monterey, you get the seals and
it's all free.
It's all free.
It's all
Seals
free.
and
It's
sea
right
otters. Just walk sort of south from Monterey, and there's amazing seals everywhere, sea otters, there's beaches.
I think they call it like a 17-mile ride
Hike or road.
hike, something like that, and because it's marine, you can actually rent yourself a kayak and just go out there, and you'll probably have a little otter swimming beside you.
Yeah, it's really cool. You can drive it or camp it, hike it, bike it. It's a great place to check out.
Sit on the beach, just relax, maybe get yourself a little muffin.
Beautiful sun and warm weather. It's a nice place. Definitely check it out.
Yeah, do some camping. It's the best.